Chef Anthony here, showing you guys how to get some of that rust off your grill or your stainless. It's not really rust, guys. It is oxidation. Little known fact, we're gonna use Sidol and stainless steel to buff it out and get it looking brand new again. So right here in certain spots, it's a little bit heavier with oxidation or rust. We're gonna use the Sidol and really use our elbow grease and kind of buff that out to make this stainless shine. Shake this guy up, a little bit of the Sidol goes a long way. Spots. And go with the stainless. So this is going left to right, the stainless. That's how we're gonna clean this. You can use it on so you can use it on the stainless mainly. You don't want to use it on this plastic here because it will spot. You need something with like a little bit of a rubber protectant. You make a few different products. And we're gonna do the whole grill like that. So we're gonna do the whole grill. Let me pop this. Since I did this, we'll go left to right. And we'll take this whole front piece, stainless. And I can just feel it gritting back. It has a little bit of a gritty finish. That's what I love about it. Almost like soft soap for the outdoor grill. Great. Let's use that. And I like to do it in applications. I mean, I'm gonna probably run this twice. Probably gonna do a second coat on this just to get it all off. So we're gonna do the wing now. We got a little bit of it. It's gonna leave a little shine, little sheen. And you wanna do it when it's not direct hot, you know? This, we'll buff it out. We'll hit this with our Dawn stainless steel cleaner at the end just to keep it shiny and finished really well. But look how good this looks. Really getting that last bit of oxidation off this side too. Get the other side. Beautiful. Right. Take that. We're going to do the top of this. A little bit more. Little Sidol to get the oxidation right here. All right, we got the heavy oxidation off. So now we're gonna use our Dawn's water-based stainless steel cleaner. Found at all of our stores. This is great. The water-based really helps out with all the grease and the heavy workload that the grill's gonna use. A lot of them are oil-based, so if you don't know, look in the back. Check it out. Oil-based isn't what you want, especially for outdoor cooking. All right? We're gonna spray this really a nice thick coat. And I usually use microfiber, but we're using paper towel outside. It really just helps with cleanup and easeability. And that, folks, is how you clean your grill and you get it ready for grilling season. Once again, we went inside, started top to bottom. We really scraped off all the heavy here. Brushed our grates really well, got into the motor, into the mixes here, scraped it all down, went to the center of it, right where our collection is and our grease trap is, went underneath, pulled that all out, made sure that's all clean. Safety first, we made sure there's no extra grease laying around. We checked all of our hose connections to make sure the ports and everything haven't corroded over the winter, and our gas connector, there's no pokes or holes or air lines in it. So we're safe this season and we're clean. So that was the inside. Then we used a little bit of an oxidation paste to get all the rust spots or oxidation spots off the outside. Finished it with our Dawn stainless steel cleaner that's water-based on the outside to give it that shine. And all we gotta do now is start grilling. So next, probably gonna go to the store and get some good stuff to grill. So hope you enjoy this. Hope this helps you get up and running for your grilling season. Thank you so much.